pinaka-important challenges sa panahon natin, climate change. Pero don't worry, hindi namin ipapakita headlines. Instead, we're talking about an action. Ano kaya ang pwede natin gawin upang gumawa ng difference at paano tayo makaka-contribute sa isang healthier planet? Tama, ang reality is ramdam na natin lahat ang epekto ng climate change. Pero ang good news, bawat isa sa atin ay may role sa solution, from the energy na ginagamit natin hanggang sa mga products na binibili natin. Small changes lang, pero kapag pinagsama-sama, malaking impact na pwede magawa. Let's start by breaking down kung ano talaga ang meaning ng climate change. Ang climate change ay ang long-term shift ng temperature at weather patterns. While natural factors may play a role, human activities like fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial pollution ang nagpapabilis sa mga changes na ito.
Exactly. Ang pagsusunog ng fossil fuels para sa energy tulad ng coal, oil, at natural gas ay nag-release ng sobrang daming carbon dioxide sa atmosphere. Ang greenhouse gas na ito ang nagdadrop ng heat kaya tumataas ang global temperatures. Nagiging dahilan ng extreme weather events, rising sea levels, at pagkawala ng biodiversity.
We invite some guests to hear and know their voice about climate change and advisors they can give. I am Ashley Adame from ACM4. I'm Laura Benitez from
Ako po si Jillian Basabong from STEM.
Can you tell us how the climate affects?
So, yung climate change kasi, as far as I know, is the increase in temperature na nararanasan natin in our Earth. And yung process niya is because of the release of carbon dioxide or greenhouse gases na very relevant ngayong panahon.
Can you tell us how the climate actually change?
The climate is actually changing natural and human-driven factors. Pero sa tingin ko yung climate change na nararanasan ngayon is more on human activity.
Can you tell us how the climate actually change?
Climate is actually changing po by our actions. So kapag gumagawa po tayo ng iba't ibang masamang gawain sa ating environment, resulting po ito sa climate change na marami pong naapekto ang buhay.
So, what do you think are the causes of this climate change that we are currently experiencing?
So, number one reason is us humans dahil ang dami natin ginagawa para ma-damage yung earth natin or ang ng kalikasan. So, number one, we do deforestation and it is very bad for the environment kasi walang hangin na malalanghap ng mga tao, wala ring parang magiging barrier kapag nagkaroon ng bagyo. So, that is pinakamalaking factor. Tapos, nag-release kasi tayo ng carbon footprint. So, lahat tayo nagpo-contribute sa kung paano ba nagkakaroon nga ng climate change. And I think we need to change it.
So, what do you think are the causes of this climate change that we currently experiencing?
I think the causes of the climate change that we are currently experiencing is burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and yung land urbanization. Sa burning fossil fuels, nag-release siya ng carbon dioxide and more greenhouse gases na nakaka-affect sa ating atmosphere at lalo na sa climate change. So, doon naman sa deforestation, less trees means less na yung makaka-absorb ng carbon dioxide. Na yung carbon dioxide na masama sa health nating mga humans, which can cause parang siguro more deaths if less trees. Tapos doon sa wet urban, nababawasan yung mga wedding na nagagalitan.
So, what do you think are the causes of this climate change that we are actually experiencing?
Kaya nga po nasabi ko kanina, kapag gumagawa po tayo ng mga bad things sa ating environment, katulad po ng nagtatamang pagtatapon ng sa basurahan, ay malaking epekto na po para sa ating climate.
What are the best advice that you can give to them to stop the process of pollution?
So, una, as a student, kailangan makinig tayo sa mga lessons on how to prevent it from worsening. Kasi climate change is already happening. So, the best way na lang is para mapigilan pa yung paglaki ng damage na sa atin. And kailangan magkaroon din tayo ng collaborative effort na i-lessen yung mga bagay na nakakapag-release ng carbon.
What are the advice that you can give to them to stop the process?
The advice, I guess, is yung paggamit ng renewable energy kung saan instead of fossil fuel na gamitin sa mga kuryente, pwede yung steam, hydro, water, kaya yung sa geothermal power. At saka, I think, ang pinaka-effective is yung raising awareness and having more programs.
What are the best advice that you can have to stop the process of pollution?
I'm so very po kasi nga po, isa din po akong member ng organisasyon dito, ang YESO po. At bilang YESO nga po, Vice President, ay ang masasabi ko po ay kailangan po nating simula sa ating sarili, dahil kapag yung sarili po natin ay most vocal na, or kapag para kung marami na tayong alam sa mga bagay-bagay, ay makaka-influensya po tayo ng ibang tao nang sa gayon ay makagawa rin po sila ng mga bagay para makatulong sa ating environment.
Always remember, don't underestimate the power of your voice. We hope this episode inspire you na pag-isipan kung ano mga steps ang pwede mong gawin toward a sustainable future. Tandaan, no action is too small, at kapag sama-sama tayo, we can create a meaningful impact. Thanks for joining us on Thanks for joining us on